Are you ready to supercharge your procurement process and avoid costly pitfalls in maintenance and facility management? I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In this episode, we'll be unraveling 7 common procurement mistakes based on industry experiences. You'll learn how to take control of your data, negotiate better with suppliers, and make the best use of technology. We'll also discuss the importance of seeing the bigger picture, choosing quality over cost, and maintaining proper documentation. So buckle up and let's dive right in. Today, we're discussing 7 common procurement mistakes in maintenance and facility management and how to avoid them. These insights are based on the experiences of industry experts, so listen closely to avoid falling into these costly traps. First up, let's talk about inaccurate material information. This can occur when organizations describe their materials differently, or when units of measure between internal records and vendor records conflict. Price discrepancies and obsolete products can also contribute to this problem. To avoid these issues, take control of your data. Maintain detailed records, create internal part numbers, and keep your equipment bill of material, or BOM, up to date. As April Johnson, a maintenance manager, says, keeping your equipment bill of material accurate will help. I do annual reviews with mechanics. It's a huge undertaking, but definitely worthwhile. Next, we have the lack of negotiation with suppliers. Unlike everyday shopping experiences, prices in larger scale procurement are often negotiable. Open lines of communication with your suppliers and strive for win-win scenarios. For instance, sharing your usage forecast in times of uncertainty can secure favorable prices for both parties. Thirdly, we have the failure to see the bigger picture. It's not just about grabbing deals at the lowest prices. You have to consider the entire company as a holistic system of equipment. Going for a more expensive initial investment for a manufacturer that can guarantee a more reliable life cycle can actually save you money in the long run. The fourth point is not making the best use of technology. As Jeremy McBride, a procurement director, points out, as departments become more dependent on third-party providers, procurement must have a solution to track them all. So, whether you're not using available tools or rejecting technology altogether, it's important to know your options and utilize the full potential of your procurement system. The fifth mistake is choosing low quality for lower cost. As Steve Sloan, a reliability and asset management professional, warns, the 2 big procurement mistakes I know of are choosing a low-cost selection that can equal low quality and choosing a lower-cost selection that does not include essential needs/specifications. So, learn more about your suppliers, manufacturers, and their processes to justify the extra costs of buying higher quality materials. The 6th mistake is downgrading specifications without proper review and approval. This can happen when additional specifications might incur additional costs to the order, or when the supplier can't provide what is cataloged. The solution? Acknowledge that such scenarios exist and have a review process in place to prevent purchases that are non-compliant with safety and operational requirements. Finally, we have poor documentation. If inventory records are not easily searchable, workers may struggle to find the parts they require. As Jim Davis, a maintenance and reliability operations manager, shares from his experience, not having your inventory recorded in a way that you can easily search it. We UPS next day air shipped in parts from other sister sites and from suppliers once to finish up an outage, only to find out later that half of them were on our shelves inside of overhaul kits. To avoid this, keep your records as accurate as possible, put in enough detail in your material data, and break down the individual components of kits. In this video, we've covered 7 common procurement mistakes and how to avoid them. We've discussed the importance of accurate data, supplier negotiation, seeing the bigger picture, utilizing technology, choosing quality over cost, proper review of specifications, and maintaining accurate documentation. Thank you for watching this episode on UpKeep's YouTube channel. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more insightful content. To learn more about how UpKeep can help your maintenance and operations teams, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.